I'm just trying to figure out how you spend $2 and win $1,000.
I spent $12. A total of $12.
Yeah, and she won 50 on one and like 1,000 on the other. Like, look.
115.
That was one, but where's the one?
That one wasn't no winner either.
This one right here got all $100 for the prizes.
No, Tori. Y'all, I just hit big, y'all. I won like $1,000.
Don't you have to sign it?
What? It say get a money bag symbol and win all 10 prizes. There's the money bag.
Hey, when you was in the store, I was yelling. I was like, ah!
Let's go. Let's
Hold
see.
on, this is the last one that you just brought out
I
the
know
store.
damn well we ain't do it like that though.
This is the one you just brought out the store. Hold on. One. Oh,
what?
50. Wait, is that a one? Oh, no, that's a 7. I was finna say. Who I thought that was a 1. 12. I need a 6 or a 7.
That's 2 12s on there? Oh, I was gonna say that.
I need a 6 or a 7. No, I need a 6 or a 7. It's okay.
Come on,
It's okay. Come on, babe.
Let's see what they say. Hell nah. I want to see what the machine gonna say. If anything, 100.
Oh my God.
Let me see.
The barcodes, I was too excited. I ain't talking about the barcode. I was too damn excited.
Let's see what this say.
Oh! Hey, Miss Sue. Let me see another one. We won big, Miss Sue. Yeah. This one $1,000.
That's what to take the lottery department.
No, what happened was a bird doodled on her arm this morning.
Right here, bird doodled on me this morning.
Yeah,
and I was like, I wonder what it means when the bird doodled on you.
What? Oh, yeah.
And then I went on that one.
Well, congratulations.
Then I went on that one.
Okay.
I was like, wow. And it's crazy because I told my husband today, I was like, I got to go play the lottery of the numbers.
Let me scan this.
we need that big number thing.
You have to take over there.
See where?
Okay, scan on the bottom. These are small, right? Scan.
You got to scratch out the barcode.
How much is
How much you want on these?
I don't know.
$2?
That's big on one.
I know the barcode, baby.
Let me check.
From who? No, somebody else going to do it. That was his red out somebody else. Who, that? Well, I know.
Yeah.
I'm
I'm a lucky Libra.
Wow.
Let me see it. Let me see that. I'm gonna write something on the bottom of it. I ain't gonna write much.
So far we at 60. I can't believe we just hit $1,000. That's crazy.
$62.
$62 on those.
Okay, that's 1,000.
Thank you. Much on me.
What's today's date?
25th. I gotta come straight up. Look, gotta do it. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you doing, man? Hey, what's up now? Chillin'. Yeah.
Winning all that money.
Man, I tell you one thing. Let a bird doodle on you and come play some cards.
Yeah, that's all right.
Crazy.
$2.
Yeah, I did that on a $2 ticket one
Yeah.
time. It was over the fish popped off for.
How much you hit for?
It was a $2 ticket at the same thing, 1,000. That's been some
$2
years.
ticket.
That's about 4 years ago though.
Thank y'all, Mr.
Thank you.
Golly, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
You have to print out a form of lottery thing.
You gotta do what?
Print a form out and fill it out on the portal lottery.
What's the, like if I was to hit on the ticket, what's the most y'all would be able to cash on the ticket? 500.
So,
If it was separate,
Is it just- then
I could cash
is it just this store or any other, all the stores?
all the stores.
Like that, 500?
500, yes. I mean, never asked my mind $8, but
Yeah,
most likely not.
yeah.
Thank you.
All right, so yeah, you said print the page off for Lotto?
For the lottery, yeah, just go on there and you'll find a tab where it says forms, and you print it out, fill that out or whatever, and then either send it in the mail or take it up there. But it takes like 3 or 4 weeks.
Really? Huh.
It's about it buys
True that. Find somebody to catch me.
Oh, you don't order all that shit.
Yeah, I do. Well, that's coming out my thing though. Y'all mama just want $1,000.
Nah, I want $1,062. Hold on, where my phone? Nah, I couldn't cash the $1,000 ticket in. Where's my phone? I couldn't cash the $1,000 ticket in tonight. Hold on.